how to unlock or unblock your PayPal account. So here we can clearly see that you have to call PayPal support if you are locked out of your account. So it will tell you where you can find information. It will tell you that you have to call them at the bottom, and you should supply or have this information ready, like information like your phone number, a statement of your credit card, and the email address registered with PayPal. So if you want to find out their phone number, all you gotta do is contact PayPal, Google contact PayPal, and usually the first link should be this, PayPal contact us. So we want to click on it, and then right here it should load up a bunch of issues that people are having with PayPal. And for us, all we gotta do is scroll all the way down, not message us, but instead right here call us, and here you will be able to find the dialing instructions. So that's how you do it. You gotta contact them, and then from there on, you have to supply them with the accurate information in order to unlock or unblock your PayPal account. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.